Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Also for today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing of a Louis Vuitton item that I got. So basically my 1 year anniversary is coming up for my wedding of being 1 year married, which is so crazy. Can't believe it's like already been a year. Like I can't even express how much like years just pass by so much faster now that I'm getting older. But that was just such a fun night, and I can't believe it's coming up to a year now. So basically, as a gift to myself and from my husband, I decided to treat myself from something from Louis Vuitton. So I want to do a little unboxing for you guys. Basically, this item and the other item is pretty much what I was contemplating between two items in Louis Vuitton. One was an East-West bag. I think it's the East-West Empreinte Louis Vuitton purse. I'll insert it somewhere here on the screen. I tried it on when I was in stores, and honestly I thought it was like the best bag ever, but it was like one of those bags where it was like a 3-in-1 because it came with like an adjustable strap, and then also came with another strap for the bag. But I don't know, I feel like when I was trying it on stores, I didn't feel like it was really me, and then also I feel like it didn't really suit my like everyday style. But then I came across this bag and I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. Okay, let's see the official unboxing of this. I am so excited. I can't believe like I have this bag. It's like crazy. Okay. There is nothing else in this box. Okay, and this is the official bag. I cannot believe I have this right now. It is actually crazy, but okay. I got the original, like traditional Louis Vuitton logo in the 20 Speedy bag. So I feel like it's kind of funny because if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I had the original Speedy 30, I think it was, or 25, whatever it was, that I had in the Demerer pattern of Louis Vuitton, and I actually ended up selling that. And basically if you look at my luxury bag collection from like 2020, I think, yeah, that was in it. But basically I didn't have that bag because I didn't really want it anymore. I thought it was way too big and like just not my style. But then when Louis Vuitton came out with this, like it's the same exact thing but in the size 20, I was like, oh my god, like really? Are you serious? Like now I'm gonna have to buy that bag again because this is just the perfect size, guys. Like as soon as I like tried this on, like I said, I was contemplating between the East-West bag, but like honestly, as soon as I tried this on, and I'm gonna show you guys the strap as well, I was just like, oh my god, this is the perfect size. Like I can just see myself getting so much use out of this and literally wearing this every single day. And also what really sold me was the strap. It's like so different. It's not like your typical strap. It is this strap. Oops, I think also, yeah, these are the keys, by the way, that comes with it as well for the little lock that you get here. But honestly, I really don't see myself using this at all. Maybe for like decoration, I'll just leave it on. But this is the strap that it comes with, and oh, guys, how cute is this? I cannot, like, it's literally so cute. I mean, I know it's very loud and it has like a lot of logo to it, but I don't know, like it just like sold me for some reason, where I was just like, this is so different, and like it's just so cute with like the beige tone and the cream tone to it. And it's also adjustable too, so like I can make this just a shoulder bag if I want to, and like I can make the strap even shorter than this if I want to, and then obviously I can just put it across me and make it a shoulder. But like, come on, like I know this is very loud and like some people just don't like the logo where it literally just spits out Louis Vuitton, but I think for like a outfit like I'm wearing right now, it kind of just dresses it up. Like right now I'm just wearing like a plain crop top and like leggings, but I think like this just like looks so cute like that. I don't know. I just fell in love when I was in the Louis Vuitton store with my husband. I'm like, oh my god, should I just get this? Like, I feel like this is the bag that I'll just be getting so much use out of and can literally see myself wearing for every outfit, because I am just a very casual type of fashion dress up type of girl when it comes to like my outfits. So I just feel myself using this a lot more than I would have with the other purse, which was like more dressier and like you would kind of just wear, I feel like, for more like dressed up outfits, which is just not me. I feel like I am the type of person that's always just wearing like leggings, jeans, like those are the only type of outfits. Like I'm not really the type of person who's wearing like long dresses. I'm like, I don't know, even for work, like I don't really wear that many dress pants outfits. Like I don't know, I am just a casual girl. So I feel like this was just the best bet for me, and I am so excited to use this purse, honestly. And I just see it going a long way. And like I said, even though I did have the bigger version of this, I feel like this smaller version that they came out with, because this is the new style that they have now, they didn't always have a 20 size Speedy. I also did see the nano size, which I feel like has been trending for so long on TikTok, but for me, like the nano was just way too small. Like I'm really just not into those micro bags, so I feel like this is just the perfect kind of, you know, meeting in the middle way where it's just not too small and not too big. Like it's just the perfect size that can just fit anything. And then also I've just realized with my bag collection right now, I really don't have brown bags, so I just decided to go for like the traditional style of like, you know, your normal Louis Vuitton logo, but you know, you should at least have one of these type of purses in your wardrobe or like your purse collection, because I feel like it'll just never go out of style. It'll always keep its value, and like I'll just be satisfied with this. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this little unboxing. I know this video is pretty short, but if you have any questions or anything, pretty much this is what the inside looks like. I love the red interior. Like, oh, that is just to die for. It literally reminds me of like Chanel bags, how they have the red interior. And then literally all that's inside, I think I just have this little, this is just telling you like the exterior, interior, and trim of the bag from Louis Vuitton. And then there's just a little pocket here where you can like probably put cards or receipts or something. But for the most part, it is just open. And that's another thing that I just want to put out there, as well as like another reason of why I ended up going with this bag versus the East West bag, is just because that bag, it was super cute, but I hate bags that have like a little like divider in the middle. Like I feel like that bothers me for some reason. Like in the beginning maybe it won't bother me as much, but like the more and more I use that bag, the more and more I'm just so annoyed that I have to make sure that everything is like in its little individual section of the bag, which like I just don't have time for that. Like I am the type of person where I'm just gonna chuck everything that I need in this bag and just go. So again, this was just another like reasoning for me to just get this bag versus that one, because it is all just one opening. Like I can just chuck as many things as I want in here and just go. So yeah, this is my random anniversary gift that I got, and I just wanted to show you guys this little unboxing of this Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 bag. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments down below. I'm also going to insert right here of my other social medias. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video of this unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton edition. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!